Today first video, the driver wasn't paying attention to the car. He then failed to hit his brake. In the second video, when we all stopped for the red light, the car beside me was hit by an impatient driver. In this video we see an impatient driver who was trying to escape. He was pulled over by the cops. In this video you see a road rage. An aggressive driver was tailgating me from behind. He later on came in front and started brake checking me. In this video, the driver brake checks me if they fails to merge, believing that I was cutting him off. Instant karma. Driver in a black car was pulled over by the police for speeding.
They don't have side mirrors. I guess they can't get rid of those yet.
Not yet, yeah. They're working on that.
But what else do they do? I mean, by the way, there's a kind of a benefit to making it really good. Looks like a Batmobile.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Yeah, it does. They did a lot of interesting things with the battery pack design itself, with how they configure the cells in the battery pack and connect them all up. They also their power electronics system, which is a key part of this. That's the battery stores energy.
I like all-wheel drive. Am I crazy to like all-wheel drive?
No, not at all. It's
I don't know why.
nothing wrong with it. The touring.
Car crash. A lady caused the wreck after driving while texting. One part of the video she's seen looking down after realizing her fault. Driver makes a U-turn in front of a cop. He was pulled over immediately. Instant karma after hitting my car. Driver tries to escape. Unluckily, the cop had seen the whole incident. He was pulled over and got a double ticket. In this video, we see a driver who came in front and started brake checking me. He got his karma from the cyclist. Instant karma. A white cow on the left hand got pulled over.
Snow for us today, 2 or 3 centimeters possible. Our guaranteed high -1 tonight. Partly cloudy, few flurries -6.
And for some wind over at Pearson, light snow continues there.
Holy fuck, here we go.
City News Time 12:43.
Now the dynamic funds market minute live in business.
The end of this video, please comment below. Is this a police chase or an instant karma? Police in action. Speeding driver ignored the zebra, got pulled over immediately. Driver in rage after he was brake checked. Details on the video. Instant karma for speeding. He almost scratched my truck and the police pulled him over.
Thank you! Yeah! Fuck yeah! Fuck yes!
The driver doesn't see the cop and he starts speeding. He got his police karma immediately. Thank you for watching. Please support us and